everybody, and welcome to another exciting episode of World of Warships gameplay with Zibkis. And we are actually going to be continuing with episode 2 of Destoryers, World of Warships Destroyers. And first of all, I'm going to show you the modules. So I'm actually going to probably some plane. So it's 400. So this thing's what is this? It'll give us 6 AA defense. So it's in case we are up against aircraft carriers or something like that. I have no clue when the heck I'm going. I think it's tier 5 is when you can actually send out scout planes. ETW, these are SPD not dive bombers. They do not have machine guns in the wings. So you kind of. Sorry if you hear the Harlem Shake. So we are waiting. We got even So we are waiting for this to load. Okay, here we go. 10, 8, start battle. And so here we go. So we are in this thing. Well, I'm going to, because this is a solar island, so I'm going to cut around the side and let's see, how many guns do I have? 2. Also got, let's see, 2 torpedoes. So I am really lightly armed. But I can still sense, I've got, so what I'm actually gonna do is I'm just gonna head this way. I'm gonna make a smoke screen. I'm gonna lay a smoke screen.
Smoke generator started.
Cut across here. There we go.
Smoke screen set.
So I'm gonna cut across, and then I see any enemy warships, which they're capping me right now. I see.
Enemy force detected.
So there's some enemy ships as well. I'm gonna get my torpedoes ready. It's gonna fire off. That's gonna hit. Now I'm going to try and hopefully I'll find this destroyer. Okay, that was way off. Oh my gosh, one hit and I set him on fire. Not a single hit. Come back around. Let's go to one shot. I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna turn around.
Torpedoes to starboard. Torpedoes astern. Torpedoes to starboard. Engine boost activated.
Duel of the Destroyers. Boom.
Enemy destroyer foundered. Ship is on fire. Problem solved, sir. Main turret critically damaged.
So I am surrounded. Dang it. Alright, so we just okay, so I was completely destroyed by the enemies. provided support for my tooth, and here goes the closet. There's one guy somewhere on the trail. It was that guy. Right there. So we are going to lose. This is one of the two last guys that's getting attacked. So he was like, that guy was so close to me. Survive, dude, survive. Aim for pop-up or whatever. So they've still got 4 guys. We've got this guy and another guy. This is the last guy on our team. We're gonna lose this. Oh, maybe not. He's fighting him back as hard as he can. Get him. Yes. 2v1. Oh, look at his ship though. Just fire.
All forces requesting cover fire.
This guy's the last one. So, oh gosh, he's screwed. That is a theory. So, violent spiders. So, and good push scratches. So he's screwed. And he's fighting his life. Yep, we just lost.
Over here.
So, well, because I got 1 kill.
Line it up and see who can cover most of the package with pain.
So, well, thank you guys for watching. See you later. I will see you in the next episode. Take care. Leave a like, subscribe, comment. Tell me what you want me to do next. So I was just looking in the tree a little bit and seeing what I could go and shoot for. Well, thank you guys for watching. See you later. Bye.